are GRAYL. We make water purifiers for international travelers and outdoor explorers so their adventures can be safe, self-reliant, and sustainable. Until now, travelers have relied almost exclusively on single-use bottles for hydration, which are expensive, wasteful, and almost never recycled. There is a better way. Meet GeoPress, an astonishingly easy, supremely effective water purifier designed for adventure travel anywhere, worldwide. GeoPress is perfectly sized, extremely portable, compact, and the user experience, it's second to none. Simply fill, press, drink. We've revolutionized the water purifier. It works on every continent, whether a murky river near Mount Kilimanjaro, a sketchy tap in a Guatemalan hostel, or hiking the Pacific Crest Trail near our Seattle home. The secret sauce is GeoPress's patented design, which is powered by your body weight, so it's fast, really fast. It provides complete protection against all waterborne pathogens, even virus. And it makes water taste great, filtering out pollutants like chemicals, heavy metals, and microplastics. Here's a closer look at GeoPress. Topo Grip, tactile, non-slip material strategically placed on all heavy-use surfaces. Simple vent spout cap allows you to press and purify with a cap on. Simply twist the cap 1/2 turn to allow air to escape during purification. Soft press pads provide an ergonomic, comfortable pressing surface. The result? Incredibly fast purification that even a child can press. Since our 2016 Kickstarter, GRAYL purifiers have hydrated over 100,000 adventures, won awards, and earned over 500 5-star reviews. The Kickstarter community was vital, providing not just resources, but incredibly useful feedback that guided our GeoPress design process. We could not have done this without the Kickstarter community, and we hope you'll support us again. Thank you.
M48 delivers once again with the M48 Hawk Harpoon knife. This razor-sharp harpoon knife features a small but capable blade that will slice through practically anything like butter. The one-piece cast stainless steel construction provides strength and durability that will prevent it from bending or breaking like cheap imitation. Pre-drilled lashing holes allow you to attach this blade to a wooden rod or staff, making an excellent makeshift harpoon or spear that can be used for hunting, fishing, and so much more. Throw this knife in your go bag and you'll be prepared for whatever life throws at you. This is the M48 Hawk Harpoon knife, only from United Cutlery.
What do you think about when you hear that word? Exactly. Crazy people. Gas mask bunkers. Thousands of dollars of food and water stored for a day that may never come. You done?
Yeah. But statistics show that terrorism, natural disaster, and overpopulation are all on the rise.
So even though you may think preppers are a bit strange,
chances are you may be a little less prepared than you want to be.
Hey, what's up? I'm Mike Escamilla.
And I'm Christian Schaff. Collectively, we've traveled to over 100 countries and spent time in some of the most extreme and dangerous environments in the world.
I know what you're saying. You can get a go bag anywhere, survival bag at any grocery store. Well, this is what you're getting. A backpack full of stuff, unorganized, no rhyme or reason. You got food here, this is your first aid kit, you've got toilet paper.
What do you use popsicle sticks for?
I'm not sure. Water, cheap flashlight, batteries that are corrode.
This is not even waterproof.
Nothing. This is all nothing. All this is garbage.
Introducing the 72, the world's first fully integrated 72-hour survival system. The 72's outer shell features beautiful, waterproof, and extremely durable tarpaulin. This material is so airtight, the bag can even be used as a flotation device. An additional waterproof pocket on the back protects and secures important documents and electronics. and the two hip pockets have enough space for today's largest smartphones. Both shoulder straps feature flashlight mounts for hands-free lighting.
And the flashlight is 100% waterproof.
The adjustable sternum strap features an integrated emergency whistle. Opening the airtight roll top reveals a military-grade canvas insert with a hard exoskeleton. This insert features backpack straps to provide additional carrying capacity by freeing up the external bag when needed.
The ACPE plastic inserts can be removed and attached to your feet to form snowshoes, slings,
and a variety of other uses.
Yeah, we can do a helicopter. That sounds awesome.
That help the most novice user get through any situation. 95% of survival situations are resolved in the first 72 hours. But what you do in those first 72 hours can mean the difference in life and death for you and your family. Our $70,000 goal allows us to start this company and build products to make the world a safer place for everybody.
We've already began production, so we're going to guarantee the first 500 orders by the holidays.
The 72 is the world's first fully integrated survival system, and we hope you'll add one to your home, car, or office. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Live prepared.